Look up, because we're gonna take you to the mountaintop in this week's episode of Stranded in Thailand. David and I are curious people. That's why we sold everything and set out on a journey to visit 100 countries, experiencing new places, new activities, and a new way of life. We never thought we'd be standing at the bottom of this cliff, about to climb it, but we're excited to reach new heights and get the most out of our time here in Thailand. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more videos about life in Thailand and our journey around the world.
So hi guys, a few weeks ago a friend of mine brought me to have a look at the rock climbing, see if I would like it, see what I thought, see if it was something I would want to try. So I decided I would come out and try it. So I'm taking lessons. I'm taking 3 lessons from a lady named Rose that lives here. This is my first lesson, so I don't know anything. So I'm a little bit nervous, a little bit from the anticipation of, physically, can I do this? It's kind of scary hanging from a rock.
My name is Rose and my company is Hollow MTN, and today we do rock climbing.
I'm going to climb that.
Our first climb was on Pli Mountain, also known as Spirit Mountain.
When you first start climbing as an inexperienced climber, the coaches are teaching you how to maneuver and keep your body close to the rock. And learn how to trust your feet. As an inexperienced climber, the first thing someone's going to do is use their hands, as you see that I'm doing now. Using the hands and the arms get tired really quickly. Actually, this part of the climb is pretty simple. It looks treacherous, but it's not, because it's like crawling on the floor. You're going up and there's plenty of places to step, there's plenty of places to put your hand, so you're just getting used to the height. And that does something with your mind. It's kind of scary when you start feeling like you're going up higher and higher and higher and higher. Even though the rock is very secure, it's not going to move. So the other thing is trusting your feet and the shoes. The shoes have rubber tips on the bottom, rubber soles on the bottom, and so as you press against the rock, it solidifies your climb. It helps you to move up. So
Look at how high up David went.
right here, I'm getting to a trickier place for my skill level. And what happens is, as you saw before, I was using my arms, and right here now, this is where using your arms too much becomes a problem, because now my arms are extremely tired. My legs are fine, but my arms are extremely tired. And someone used the analogy and told me, they said, think about it, you walk around all day on your legs and you don't get tired. And so that's it, that's the key. An experienced climber learns to trust their feet, trust their legs, use their legs and not use their arms. My arms just got numb. They were just so worn out. And if I was more experienced right here, I could have actually finished that climb with my legs. But as an inexperienced climber, without hands and arms, you feel like you don't have the ability to go higher.
Right, you wanna go down?
Yeah, let's go down.
Okay.
And you still fell on your behind.
It was still a great experience, even just learning that much in that short period of time.
On David's second rock climbing lesson, we tried a different trail on Krabi mountain. I was really hesitant to try it first. We went to go see our friends climb, and I was like, no, not for me. David came for his first lesson, and I was like, no, not for me. But I'm here. I'm gonna give it a try on the second lesson. So just on this first part of the climb, I'm learning just how little ledge you get to stand on when you're rock climbing. And it's like you're only standing on your big toe, and you have to trust that your big toe can support your entire body weight. And here I'm just moving around my foot, trying to trust my big toe. And it was just a lot to try to process. And the whole time you're trying to figure out where to put your feet and where to put your hands next. And for me, a lot of the times I just could not see a place to put my hands or to put my feet due to lack of experience. So when I got to this part, pretty much I got stuck. I couldn't see a safe way to go. So this was the end of my rock climbing experience. I got super sweaty and very dirty, and I don't like to be dirty, so that was another issue that was holding me back. And for me, after my first climb, I realized that I know myself well. It really is not for me.
For me, I really like it. It's challenging. I get the feeling of solving a puzzle, trying to figure out where I should put my hand next, where should I turn my body, how to get my balance better. It's like a riddle, and you have to solve this riddle for you because it's different for everybody else. If you're a short person, that solution is going to be totally different from a taller person. So your options become varied. Rock climbing just helps engage the mind. I feel like as I'm climbing, my mind is solving a puzzle, where to place my hands, where to place my feet, to get my balance, how to turn my body so that I can find the correct positioning. The thing that I learned the most was really just overcoming your fears. When you have fears, you get this tunnel vision and you can't see all the things around you. But once you release that fear, you start solving problems in your mind. And that mountain is teaching you a lesson. And not only that, but it's also very physical. So I just think that the focus is totally different. So as a sport, I really like it.
So if you enjoyed this rock climbing video, please give the video a like and leave us a comment about if you would try rock climbing or not. And don't forget to subscribe so you can get more videos about Thailand and all our travels around the world. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for sharing and helping the channel to grow. And take care till next time.